Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Google Meet in laptop. So as you guys can see, I've already opened the browser in my laptop, and then what you need to do is you just need to click on the search column here or at the URL bar right here. So you can just type in this address meet.google.com and then click on enter. So the Google Meet page will be open like this, and if you want to install it, you can just go to this icon. This icon is the install icon. So if you click on this, you can just install the Google Meet apps on your laptop. So I'm going to click on this and click on install. Okay, so the Google Meet apps has been added into my laptop, so it is so easy. I hope this video is helpful to you. That's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe. See you on the next video.